can set it for a timer so you can get yourself all set up, set the timer, go in, just pull it down. If you come to my office in New Bern, to our new biohacking barn, you can see the Trifecta Bed there. It's a powerful technology. And right now, more than ever, we need to get energy to the cells. There's no better technology out there than the Trifecta Bed matched with the BrainTap. This is the stacking that's going to revolutionize the way people think about their health. Hey, welcome guys. We're here at the Wake Up House in San Diego. I'm here with Stephen E. It's Dr. Patrick Porter. Let's take a little tour here of what they got. I want to introduce you to one of my favorite stacks. Those of you that know me, you know we like to pair BrainTap with really powerful products. In the Trifecta Bed, I chose that because Dr. Carl is like the leading authority in light. And when I was researching, I thought, who knows the most about light and who has the bed that's going to deliver that photic energy that we need to release that nitric oxide, get blood flow and circulation, and really start healing the body naturally with light. So with this bed, we've actually already have sessions that I designed. They're called LipoLight sessions. Under the BrainTap app, we call it body contouring. There's 10 sessions. So each time that you bring your clients in, you can have them listen to a different brain entrainment. So you don't always have to use the headset because the light is so intense and it's giving you, but you can wear the earphones. And some people find the light so intense, they'll just use the visor over the eyes. It's really good, but each time they come in, they're gonna be educated, they're gonna be motivated, not only to continue to come in and use the services, which are so powerful, but they're gonna change their eating strategy. Because once you get their weight off, we find with this bed, you know, there's gonna be a profound effect on measuring them. You know, what are they losing? Because they're losing fat. If you've ever seen fat, 5 pounds of fat is about this big. 5 pounds of muscle is about the size of your palm. So we need to get rid of that fat. That's what the Trifecta Bed's gonna do. But then we're gonna change their eating habits while they're listening. So there's something called the skill with the pill. This is the pill. This is what's gonna be the magic. The magic bullet's gonna get their body metabolism going. Then they're going to learn while they're doing it about eating healthy, drinking plenty of water, doing the things naturally that they know they need to do. So reach out to Trifecta Bed. I'm gonna use it. If you come to my office in New Bern, to our new biohacking barn, you can see the Trifecta Bed there. It's a powerful technology. And right now, more than ever, we need to get energy to the cells. There's no better technology out there than the Trifecta Bed matched with the BrainTap. This is the stacking that's gonna revolutionize the way people think about their health. You just put BrainTap on. There's actually you can set it for a timer so you can get yourself all set up, set the timer, go in, just pull it down. The nice thing is that once your clients have gone in one time, they're gonna do this on their own. So it's a hands-free therapy. So start today, reach out, learn about light, and learn about the Trifecta Bed especially because Dr. Carl has already done all the research. This is the most powerful bed on the market. I can't encourage you to look at it more. And this is a cash machine because once you start helping people, they're just gonna keep coming in because it's so powerful. That's why I have one in my office. I recommend you get one for your office. Let's start changing the world and lighting up people so they're healthy. And we all know that health is wealth. So start sharing this with your community. Thank you.